Friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new video. And in today's video I'm reviewing a product which has been in the market for quite some time, and the product is the Cadbury Oreo chocolate sandwich biscuit. So this is the chocolatey sandwich biscuit, which is the Oreo, which is quite popular and quite a few people know about it. I know all of you might have tried the Oreo already, but I'm here to review it today, and let's get down to the review of the pack. So first of all, this is the Cadbury Oreo. This is a 10 rupees pack. So the MRP of the product is rupees 10, and for rupees 10 we are getting a net weight of 46.3 grams of biscuit. So this is a 46.3 grams biscuit, and the MRP of this is rupees 10. So this is the Cadbury original Oreo, and so I think it's been like 2 years since the Oreo has been launched in India, but I'll be reviewing it today. So let's get down to the review, and first of all let's talk about the packaging. It comes in a neatly packaged blue color plastic. So it has a different blue color shades of the packaging. You can see ranging from light blue to dark blue, and then we have the Cadbury branding right here, and then the Oreo branding in large here. Then the illustration of the Oreo biscuit. You can see the Oreo biscuit here being dipped in milk here, which is being shown here. And then here they mentioned it's a chocolatey sandwich biscuit. So here they've written chocolatey sandwich biscuit, and yeah, overall packaging is nice. And the calorie of per serve is 96 calories for every 20 grams of the biscuit. So 96 calories, as in say half packet of Oreo will give you 96 calories, so really high in calorie, which is 5% of your GDA of calories requirement. So 5% of your daily requirement, half packet of Oreo. So really high on calories. So calorie conscious people, please stay wary of the Oreo because it is really high in calories. So that is what is given on the face of the biscuit right here. Moving on top, here are the nutritional values. So they have mentioned how much calories and protein and multiple other things like carbohydrates, and the various nutritional facts are mentioned here. On the other side, they are given the popular twist lick dunk tagline here. Twist lick dunk tagline of the Oreo is mentioned here. Then sandwich biscuit ingredients are given right here with a complete vegetarian sign mentioning that it's a completely vegetarian product. Moving on, here is the net weight mentioned of the product. The net weight of the product has been mentioned here, and the MRP is mentioned. MRP is mentioned right here. The MRP of the product is mentioned. So yeah, so this is a 46.3 grams biscuit, and priced at rupees 10. This is a premium product from Cadbury, again in the biscuit segment. The only product in the biscuit segment from Cadbury, which is Oreo. So Oreo dived into the biscuit segment with Cadbury dived into the biscuit segment with Oreo, and it has been very popular with not only kids but with adults as well. So Oreo not only as a biscuit is popular because Oreo has been used in so many other Cadbury products. Like the last thing I reviewed was the 5-star Oreo, in which also Oreo is present. So I really like this biscuit, so I'm going to do a quick review and tell you all about my experience about Oreo as well in this video. So let's go ahead and unwrap this product, and then I'll show you all how the Oreo looks. So here we go, we just get it open, and here is the Oreo. So this is the Oreo biscuit right here. You can see the Oreo branding on the biscuit as well. So on top of the biscuit as well, they are the Oreo branding. You can see Oreo print on the biscuit, and then there are some cross marks and a design, a very peculiar design of the Oreo. And this is a chocolatey biscuit right here. So two chocolatey biscuits with some milk cream in the middle. So here it is. This is the chocolatey biscuit, and this is the milk cream of the Oreo. So this is what it is. So it is like cream between two chocolatey biscuits. And now we are going to do the taste test of the Oreo. So here is the Oreo. I'm going to now do the taste test of the Oreo to see how does it taste. So let's go. Very chocolatey, and the cream and the chocolate really gives it an amazing flavor. The cookie cream flavor coming in, really nice, not very biscuity. So the Oreo tastes really nice. I like the taste of Oreo, Indian plain. The Oreo biscuit is used in so many other baking and smoothies. There are Oreo smoothies available which you can make with the Oreo biscuit. There are Oreo ice creams which you can make with the Oreo biscuits, and you can even use them in chocolates. Like Cadbury has been using them. Like Cadbury has used Oreo in the latest range of the 5-star Oreo. Before that they had the Cadbury Silk Oreo. So Cadbury has been using Oreo quite a bit in its chocolates as well. Then there was Quality also came out with the Oreo Cornetto. So you can think about the possibilities that can be Oreo can be used in, because it is so popular right now. The biscuit Oreo is very popular. So guys, yeah, this was my review. I will give the Oreo a 5 on 5 for the taste, the packaging, and the price of the product. Do let me know your reviews are the same in the comment section below. Guys, if you have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more biscuit and chocolate reviews.